Boys, today I've got some good news. Car Parking Multiplayer 1 got a new beta update last night on the 25th of July. Apparently, they added a new JDM car made by Toyota, who is one of the biggest car manufacturer in the world. So this is the Toyota Chaser. It does have opening doors, trunk in the bonnet.
I mean, it's all right, like...
Steering wheel is on the right side, and the interior looks pretty good. This car comes with a whooping 280 horsepower, and it does support the W16 engine.
Good news, everyone!
Which means we can easily make drift and racing tunes for it without using Game Guardian. The new Toyota Chaser costs 1,000 coins, which I think is a little bit overpriced, considering the car was made in 1970.
What do you mean by that? LOL!
On this new update, we've got a new location in City 1, which kind of looks like a skating park. The artwork on the ground is pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. However, I think it would have made this update 10 times better if they added these as livery stickers. Because honestly, these look dope. The game developers added a new emoji system. Basically, they added 2 different bundles of new emojis. The first bundle is for drift emojis, and the second one is for racing emojis. Each bundle costs 500 coins, and you can buy both of them if you want to. I'll show you guys all of the new emojis by the end of the video. The new Toyota Chaser have a pretty good number of spoilers, and they range from the price of 20 to 60 coins. Unfortunately, the developers did not add bumpers, side skirts, and hood body kits for this car. But the game is still in beta, so there's a 50-50 chance they might add it before the official release. I just hope that they lower the price of the car, or at least make the body kits cost money.
You're wrong!
The graphics on this new update look improved, and the developers actually did some changes and fixed some bugs. For example, on the current or previous CPM update, there would be a glitch where this place would turn into night mode. So well done, car parking. I'm pretty sure you guys are wondering how this car sounds like. I don't know, let's find out. We're gonna do a sound comparison using the stock engine and different turbos. Sounds pretty normal, to be fair. Other than the stuff I've mentioned so far, we've got a few changes that were made to the highway from City 1 to Racetrack. Low-key, I think this might be the worst update we've had in CPM this year. We didn't get any new clothes, no new emotes or paired animation. We only got one car with no body kits. A skating park that we cannot even use since there are no skateboards on the game. By the way, boys, if you made it this far, comment W so I know who the real channel supporters are. And let me know in the comment section, what are your thoughts on this new update?